If you're experiencing issues with incidents not triggering in Opsgenie, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check notification rules. Ensure that your notification rules are correctly set up. Go to the Opsgenie settings and verify that the rules are active and properly configured to trigger notifications for the incidents you expect. Step 2. Review integration settings. Examine the integration settings for the services connected to Opsgenie. Make sure that the integrations are enabled and that the correct API keys or tokens are being used. Any misconfiguration here can prevent incidents from triggering. Step 3. Validate alert conditions. Look at the alert conditions defined in your Opsgenie policies. Ensure that the conditions for triggering incidents are met. If the conditions are too restrictive, they may not allow incidents to trigger as expected. Step 4. Test incident creation. Manually create a test incident to see if it triggers notifications. This can help identify if the issue is with the incident creation process or with the notification settings. Monitor the logs for any errors during this process. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after checking the above steps, reach out to Opsgenie support for assistance. Provide them with details of your configuration and the steps you've already taken to troubleshoot the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of incidents not triggering in Opsgenie. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further help from the support team.